Accounting Basics by Satyalakshmi. BRS Bank Reconciliation Statement. Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Accounting Basics by Satyalakshmi, Day 82 class. Today we are going to discuss about our fourth term of BRS. On comparing the bank passbook of BBR Limited with its cash book, the following differences were noted. So, these are the differences which is unequal from the cash book and passbook. Prepare BRS with the help of cash book balance 15,000. Here it is given the cash book balance. Up to now we has prepared with the passbook balance. So here it is the cash book balance. Now we have to make the rough work, cash book and passbook, debit and credit columns. The cash book balance is always a debit balance, 15,000. So here it is minus at debit side and plus at credit side. Both books contain the same symbols. Check sent for collection, not yet realized, 5,600. So we have sent the check for collection. We have to write it in debit side, 5,600. Checks issued but not yet presented for payment. We has issued the check. It is always in credit side of the cash book, 4,200. And next, the receipt side of cash book has been overcast by 300. The receipts in the cash book is always in the credit side. So it is overcasted. Receipts has overcasted 300. So we have to debit the 300 in the cash book. A check drawn on firm's current account wrongly debited in its savings account. A check draw. So we has taken the amount. A check drawn in the firm's current account wrongly debited in its savings account. So we have to write it in the debit side of the passbook. So always a firm, any type of firm is always maintains the current account, not the savings account. Right? And next, a check of 900 rupees deposited into bank but forgot to enter in the cash book. So it is a check of 900 deposited in bank. So we has deposited it in the bank and we forgot to write it in the cash book. We has deposited the check but we has forgot to write it in the cash book. So our amount is in the banks. It is a liability for the bank. So we have to enter in the credit side of the passbook. So these are the transactions. Now let us do the sum. This is our statement. Bank reconciliation statement of BBR Limited is a main heading. Bank balance as per cash book. The amount is 15,000. We have to write it in the outer column, 15,000. First we have to add 4,200. Checks issued but not yet presented for payment. B. Checks issued but not presented for payment. And next, 900. A check deposited in bank but forgot to enter in cash book. 900. So there is no credit balances. So we have to make total 4,200 plus 900. 5,100. 15,000 plus 5,100. 20,100. And next, less. check sent for collection not yet released, 5,600. And next one, the receipt side of cash book has been overcasted. Overcast receipt side of cash book, 300. And next, a check drawn on firm's current account wrongly debited in its savings account. A check drawn on firm's current account wrongly debited in its savings account, 2,100. So we have to make total 5,600 plus 300 plus 2,100, and the total is 8,000. So here 20,100 minus 8,000. That is 12,100. So this is the bank balance as per passbook. So this is our fourth sum of BRS, which contains the bank balance as per cash book. Thank you. Hi friends, I am Satyalakshmi. You are watching my channel Accounting Basics by Satyalakshmi. If you have any doubt regarding the topic which we have discussed previous and up to now, if you have any doubt, please comment it in the comment box. If you want to give me any suggestions, please comment it in the comment box. Thank you for watching my videos. Please do subscribe, please share to your friends, and please like my videos. Thank you.